G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, it's been wetted and it's been randomly tipped out onto the display mat here. We'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, rules in millimetres. As I said, it's been randomly tipped out. I haven't sort of put all the material over so all the faces are looking up. We'll just quickly run through some of it. A piece like this has just been roughed out for pendant. Faces there, nice reds in the middle there, showing up. Yeah, there it is, a little bit. Another piece that's been pre-formed. Some of the pieces don't have a lot of colour on them. Of a piece like that, you need to grind the top of it up. Oops, sorry. You need to grind the top off so it's underneath. Something like that, just grind down to get the shapes of the opal seams for a stone. A couple of little stones there. Pieces like this. Just grind it to the shape that it is. These sort of deals, it's the good and the bad. It almost come from South Australia, perhaps that piece. What happens quite often, the cutters cut all sorts of opals. Different parcels get mixed up or thrown in. It's an interesting pattern. This little eye there on the right. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at. I hope you've enjoyed. There's a nice little piece. Cheers.